Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Hangout. My name is Mike Lucas. I have my business partner and friend and marketer extraordinaire, Mr. Jay Zielinski. Jay, are you with us today?
I'm with you and having a great day. How are you doing this morning, Mike?
Doing fantastic. Start of the Memorial weekend. Just finished the weekend. For those of you live here, I hope everyone had a great weekend. For those of you who happen to be watching this Hangout in a maybe a post time a little afterwards, you're looking for some information about network marketing opportunities. And you know what? That there are a lot of opportunities out there. Granted, I'm sure many of you have probably have a history that a lot of them are not what they claim to be. First, a little information about myself. My name, as I said, is Mike Lucas. I have a internet marketing company, more of a traditional marketing company. We help small to medium-sized businesses, your traditional brick and mortar, if you will, the mom and pops, the pizzerias, restaurants, plumbers, doctors, lawyers, your typical mechanic. When you go to in your plumbing burst, your pipes, you go to the search engines, whether it's Google, MSN, Yahoo, and you type in for someone in your community you're looking for to help you with solve a problem in the business, and they're ranked up there in the top of the search engines. That's my company. We help companies like that in our communities and other communities across the U.S. Excuse my phone ringing. Let me hang up on these people. Sorry about that. The phone rings a lot here, unfortunately, which is good. But anyway, we help businesses get traffic for their businesses because no business can actually function, whether it's a traditional business or a more virtual business, if you will, working from home or something. You need traffic, you need leads, you need sources, and that's something my company, and we've helped a lot of home-based businesses actually. And I have built some rather large teams of 10,000 plus years ago, a few years back, doing the same thing. But lately, I've been working with me and Jay, mostly traditional businesses. I know, Jay, you've been around for quite a few years in the network marketing arena, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I've been involved now for 8 years with I've multiple different companies and had semi to no success with certain companies. And with this particular opportunity, the light bulb went on. And
Right.
it has a lot to do with the leads that we're talking about here, us being able to duplicate, and the system that is set up. And that's what attracted me to this business, Mike.
Well, before we give you any information on the business, I don't want to go that far because, guys, we got a website here. And, Jay, why don't you put up your website down there below your name because I don't see it there for us. There we go. Guys, when you're out there looking for an opportunity, and Jay will tell you this, a lot of folks fail in the network marketing arena for two reasons. Two simple reasons, and it's proven time over and over again. One is they don't know what they're doing. It's not to being disrespectful or anything. Most people, probably you're out there, you've been in opportunities before, the people in this hangout here, they have an ideal of what they're doing. They've maybe been around the block a few times and have an understanding, but they don't have a system in place for when they bring in a neighbor, a friend, or they go out there and actually what you have to do in network marketing, you have to bring in, they call cold traffic, people that's not in your warm market to be successful. To really hit, you have to bring it in, and you don't have a system that shows them how to do what you're doing. Or it's so complicated that the new person gets lost, right, Jay?
Absolutely. If you bring in new people that are technology challenged and actually don't know what to do, the system that we've got set up is already in place, and it's a 1, 2, 3 simple paint by number system. And that's important because a lot of people do not have that skill set to be able to do this, and we have it.
Well, that's one of the issue is that they don't have it. There's simply no system for people to duplicate. And that's where you're absolutely right, Jay, is having a duplicatable system. And what we're going to share with folks here is an opportunity we came across and have become part of it and added some additional tools for, where it's a simple ABC program. You do this, Step one, you do this. Step two, step three, and it's done. And it doesn't. You don't have to be the next Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or a guru. All you have to know how to answer is one of these, because we'll show you how to get your phone ringing for people calling you to join the opportunity. And that's the second most important thing, Jay, isn't it? Is traffic. Whether you're doing a garage, a pizzeria, a hair salon, you can do your friends and family for a few times, but that's not going to keep your business growing. For your business, whether it's a traditional business or a home business, you need people to share your product or service with, don't you?
Yes, you do. Yes, you absolutely do.
Having a proven traffic system that, I can create traffic with SEO, which is called getting people to rank blogs, doing websites, mobile applications, and all that. But 99% of the home-based business people can't do that. They don't have the time. They don't have the knowledge. They don't have the financial resources it takes to do that. You need a duplicatable system that is easy, affordable, and you can do something with, and everyone can do that. And that's something we have created, and we got people in this opportunity getting checks their first week, don't we?
Yes, we do. Yes, we absolutely do have people going to their mailbox and picking up checks every single day. And we are able to do that.
And Jay, probably the biggest thing I think is if you have the duplicatable system, the training, and you have a source that will generate basically unlimited amount of traffic, and this is a business, then you're looking at what's the cost to get involved in the business. And actually you can get started in this opportunity we're talking about with no money out of pocket. How important that is for people in today's economy?
Well, I'll tell you what, Mike, I mean, I've talked to multiple people, and one of the first things they ask is, how much is this going to cost me? This opportunity costs you nothing, zero money to get started.
Out of pocket. Exactly. Yeah. That's huge, folks. That is huge. No money out of pocket to get started, a duplicatable system that you can share with other people. You might be a Steve Jobs. You might know how to blog. You might know how to social media, but the average person doesn't do it. And that's why most network marketing companies fail. They don't have a duplicatable system. And then it's traffic. What we have taken is our platform has some unbelievable system where we'll share with you exactly what we're doing to getting our phone ringing. And you just heard my phone ringing a few moments ago. And actually, I have two phone lines, one for the traditional side and the other one is for this opportunity that we actually became part of. And we're adding the tools to this that we have in my internet marketing company. We're adding several of the tools and systems that our members are getting for absolutely free. So if you want to know more about this, really the next biggest business of 2016, isn't it, Jay? For sure, without doubt, this is the next. It's a phenomenal company, a phenomenal service product out there that you're doing. Jay, what's that website they can go to learn more?
There's the website. I can put it up on the screen here again.
That's Working with Jay-Z. And the reason this is so important here is because how many of you out there on this webinar, and I see some people already knowing what I'm going to ask because they've been on here before, how many of you have joined a business and all of a sudden the person who invited you, Scotty, beamed them up to Pluto? You're gone. You're out there. You're like this background behind me. You're out there in outer space all by yourself, no one around to help you, to guide you, to get you through those challenges that every business may have or you may have. You need someone there to be your real business partner. And I know, Jay, you've talked about this many times, and I've seen you. You actually take people under your wings and you help them. You're there for them. They're in business for themselves, but not by themselves, because you and the team we have there is just phenomenal.
Yes, and I've had sponsors before that had an unbelievable pitch to get me into the business, and then I called them for help, and where did they go? They disappeared. I was out in the desert.
Those were years ago, and so we know what that feels like. And we have a team here that is actually just knocking it out. So, folks, get a hold of Jay. Go to the website, work with Jay-Z, and if that doesn't work, please. Jay, what's your phone number?
Well, I've got the number I'm going to post here right on screen, 779-279-7300. And you can call me just about at all hours of the day, and I will help you. You won't be
Folks,
left in the dark.
and what, Jay, we got team members, I think, in Australia, South Africa, UK. Maybe they can't call you. Maybe they got to use one of the common chat things, and Skype, guys, is an ideal way. If you can't talk to them, I definitely would say get a hold of Skype and get a hold of Jay, because what you want to do is you want to interview your business partner. You can have a silent business partner, one that just, yep, let's get going, and all of a sudden, poof, you're on the Starship Enterprise all by yourself. Scotty and Captain Kirk's nowhere to be found. Or you can have someone that's there to help you, Jay, who has all those years and part of a team that is just, we are knocking it out here with a traffic system, a step-by-step training system, everything you need, not only for yourself, but if you want to grow your business, we can show you how to get the phone ringing. And it does work, folks. It really does work. So, Jay, what's that website one more time?
One more time, it's Work with Jay-Z. I'll put it up here, workwithjz.com.
Jay, you got anything? I know you've been around the block a lot here. You've helped so many people become successful in this arena. What's a word of advice for them before we close this out?
Well, I would say you cannot go wrong by joining this team, because we have the lead system, we have the duplication that goes along with the system, the mentorship, which is me, you, the support, and the main issue here is that it's not going to cost you any money out of pocket to get started.
Well, folks, thanks for coming for a hangout. I appreciate everyone's coming up. If you got more information, would like to know more, please get a hold of Jay. I can't stress how important it is to go to the website. Best yet, if you can all possibly, humanly possible, talk to the person. Pick up the phone and call Jay-Z at the phone number listed in his name and find out how you can get into the next biggest opportunity in 2016. Folks, make sure you find the right business that's going to be the next big business of 2016. If you're one of those rabbits that are jumping around like so many people we see on Jay on Facebook, from opportunity to opportunity,
Yes.
folks, that's build it once and be successful in that, and we'll show you. Thanks a lot, everyone, and we'll see you on our next hangout.
Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Bye-bye.